Verneerspan, Campbell's Track, 1929. In 1929, Sir Malcolm Campbell achieved the world speed record of 348.8 km per hour in his car Bluebird over a distance of 8 kilometers. The track is 17 kilometers long. In 1940, George Elliot Anderson with his 350cc Norton motorbike achieved the speed of 164 kilometers per hour. Both speeds are SA records. Verneerspan, situated in Bushmanland, is 57 kilometers by 11 kilometers. Verneerspan refers to a mirage which deceived many travelers. Yeah, that's the reason and that's the story. That's why we are here. I just got on the access road 160 and then I got scared. My guardian angel flew off the bike.